Uh-oh, you just drew on yourself. You drew on your neck. Hold on, you have a marker that's open. Why don't you draw on your... Look, you got some art going on here. Why don't you draw some? Why don't you draw? You have an open marker. Come on. Jumba. Oh. Oh. Go? Go where? Oh boy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's Thunder doing? Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. What you doing? Juniper yelling. When she goes, ah! What do you do? Ah! You're so silly. Up, you're drawing on your face again. Do you want me to close it? Should I close it? Oh.